Welcome back. Just a little update before I sign off for today. Managed to get one of my wolf commissions done, so now they're both done. And they're ready to be sent off. But I'll show you the one that I just finished. So this is what we have. Got a little scar on the face and around the eye. Pink nose. It was black before, but the picture was actually pink. Trimmed it up a little, did its feet, and added some stripes on the tail. So there will be a video of this coming on my YouTube. But you could probably head to my Patreon if you're interested in seeing some more pictures or behind the scenes and stuff. You can head there. So that's that one, and I'm waiting to hear back from this commissioner, the one that did the lion, because I found some faux fur that they might like. So I haven't cut anything just yet because I want to make sure that they get what they want. So I'm just waiting to hear back from that before I go on with anything else. So in the meantime, I'm going to just do some of my own stuff because I don't have any more commissions. So I'm working on my Hannya mask, Oni mask. So it's almost done. Almost finished smoothing everything out. And then I'll add some more little details like some spiny bits down here and up here. But pretty happy with the way it's turning out. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna start a new doll that will be available. I don't know what to do though, so I'm a little bit indecisive at the moment. I don't know what I want to do. I'm sort of tossing up between a secretary bird, another raccoon, a little Salix creature, which is just something that I've made. I haven't actually cast the parts for that, but it's a really tiny doll. But yes, it's called a Salix, and it's like a little sort of deer-like creature. So I might do that one, and that way I can use some of the smaller bits of fur that I can't use on bigger dolls. And I'm going to be working on some prints, some new prints for from some old artwork that I did. So I've scanned them all, and they're all ready. I just need to edit them, and then we'll see how they turn out, or if anyone's actually interested. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you want let me know if you want any particular doll, if you want me to do any particular creature or animal or something, let me know in the comments. I'll probably do like a little poll on my Patreon for my patrons. I still get that wrong. On my Patreon, and see maybe a vote or something on there. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll probably catch up with you tomorrow. For today, I'll show you what I've done. I got a little bit done. I cut out some pieces for of the fur for the lion commission, so I still have to cut all the individual pieces out, but I got it all measured and stuff, so it's all ready to go. So I'll be cutting it out next week. I packed an order that you saw, so that came through in the morning, so I'll send that off tomorrow morning. I did a little bit of work on a new little doll. I just had the parts laying around, so yeah, I'll also sew that up when I'm sewing the lion commission up. And then what else did I do? And then I've been working on my Oni mask as well. So this is almost done. I'm just adding some extra details in, and then I'll need to go over it and smooth it out, and then that'll be ready to mold and cast. So pretty happy with the way it turned out, seeing as I hated it when I first started it, and I thought I would hate it, but I think it turned out pretty good so far. Added all these little spine bits. I was gonna add some more around here, but I didn't really like the way it looked, so I didn't do it. Yeah, I took them off, but just want to make some angry sort of marks there, and then should be ready to go. This side. Yeah. So these will basically be something that you mount on the wall, and yeah. Maybe I'll do a bigger one, like a human-sized one once in the future. I don't know. It's pretty much in, I think. So I guess I'll leave it there for now. But in the meantime, if you want to see like some more pictures of this, or if you want to see extra work and tutorials and stuff, you can head to my Patreon. That's at Creatures of Nat. I'll have it linked down below. And thanks to everybody that is a patron so far. Hope my content is good. or you can check me out at creaturesofnat.com and on social media, Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat. So I'll probably catch you in the next one. Yeah, see you next week. Bye.